Here is just a short video I want to put out there because we've got some news, and I am busy with a long video what we've done the weekend when we went into the city with other South Africans, but it takes time. It takes time to put them together, and with this internet I have now, it's we will have to get fiber for sure. It will not work like this. I'm struggling and frustrated. But yeah, this morning we walked, me and Eileen, we walked to a, what do you call it, a kindergarten.
Yes.
Because she would like to work with, or she's used to work with small children. And we just took her CV and just go stop to a place that we saw close by here to give in her resume. They call it resumes. Remember that. It's not CVs, it's resumes. If I pronounce it right, by the way. And Eileen, I cannot get you in. Nice. So yeah, when we give in the resume, she even went for the interview. They just took her in immediately for the interview. But our papers is not right yet. So that is what I want to encourage you. Even if you're not ready yet, you can go make contact with people, with businesses, and so that they know about you. Because now they know about her, and the moment all our stuff is ready, what do we need?
Police clearance and fingerprints and medicals and all that stuff we have to still done.
Yeah, when it's done, then basically she will have the job. It looks like it. So that is just something I wanted to mention now. And then there's a lot of questions, and I'm really grateful for the questions in the comments of the videos. There's a lot of emails also coming in. Now, please, if you write an email, let it be really a personal case or something, and we will try and answer it. But if it is something that will benefit, a question that will benefit other people, put it in the comments. I never thought a YouTube channel is gonna keep you so busy. I'm really busy with this, and Eileen help me now with the comments. You will see when we answer. We try to answer all the comments.
Yes.
We really try to get to it, but it's a lot of work. And I'm not complaining. It's actually very nice to talk to you people and to see how you react, and that gives me also ideas on the videos I must make. And so yeah, there was a question of how did we put locks on our carry-on bags, for instance. We did put small locks on.
Yeah.
It's so easy to break into the bags. We did not use new bags. We did not go buy that fancy bags with the special locks. This heel is getting me out of breath. We're on our way now to the refugee office to go work more on our refugees and resumes. And anyway, so it's so amazing to see how disciplined these people who's driving with the cars, what do you call them, motorists, they are really so disciplined. They stop for you when you walk. It's really amazing. But okay, I'm getting distracted. Where were we? We did not buy special suitcases. We used what we had. So we did put little bit of locks on, small locks, and it was just there for that they cannot just open it easily because it's so easy to open the bags. We had two soft case bags and one hard case bag. bag for our check-in luggage. Other thing is,
And we bring the computers with us, 2 computers and the screen who is going to work here.
yeah, and that is something. If you want to bring PCs, if you want to bring PCs, try and put them in a hard case bag. If not, what we done is we open it, we open the cases, and we put and we put some clothes inside them. We pack them as good as possible between the clothes, and still we had some damage.
But not so much.
To me,
It's still working.
to me it feels like they stand on the aeroplane, stop, and then they throw the bags down there, because we really done a great job to put them into the clothes, but they had dents, and my PC, the processor fan even broke off. So it means it had to be quite a punch it took. But we put in the hard case, we put one computer screen, and nothing happened to that one. So at last we are by our normal bus stop. So this is that. I think for now, let the comments come, ask the comments, ask your questions, and we will really try and answer it as soon as possible and as best as we can. And yeah, this journey, I want to say, it's not easy, no? It's a very big decision, and when you go through with the decision, there's a lot of uncertainties. So try and find so much as possible information. Let the false, what do you call it, the false inligting,
Information.
the false information don't get to you, because there's a lot of false information. Okay?
I just also want to put some information with the PC and the screen we bring over. You have to declare it at the airport in Johannesburg or Cape Town, where you fly from.
Yeah, and remove the battery on the motherboard. There's a small little battery. Remove that battery. They do not want batteries in your check-in luggage. They're very strict about it. Okay, our bus is coming.
Bye.
Bye bye.